It usually takes lots of people working together to put on a successful event. You'll probably need friends, family, and colleagues to help you plan yours. This template doesn't have a space to track who is responsible for each task, but it's easy to modify a template so that it works better for you. In this video, you'll add a column with names to track who should complete each task. To insert a column to the right of the task list, select the task column by clicking the header. Then, use the menu to insert a column to the right. You can change the format to match the rest of the template or to reflect your own style. For example, you could change the color of the headings to reflect the theme of your event. Or maybe you'd like to highlight the rows that contain the most important tasks. To change the color, select the cells, column, or row you want to change. Click the Fill Color button and choose a color. You can also copy formatting from one part of the spreadsheet and paste it to another. In this example, the new column has different formatting than the rest of the sheet. To copy formatting, highlight the cells with the format you'd like to copy. Right-click and select Copy. Then, select the cells you'd like to change. Right-click and from the Paste Special menu, select Paste Format Only. Next, label the new column. In cell D4, type Task Owner. Add names to your list so you'll know who should complete each task. Type your name to indicate that you will create a plan and complete other tasks. Then, add the names of the people who will help you. Jamal can make signs and post flyers. Raghav could promote the event and set up tables. Include friends, family, or business partners who might help with your events. This column is too wide for just one name. If you'd like to resize it, hover over the right side of the header. The pointer changes to a right arrow. Click, hold, and drag the mouse to reduce or widen the column. Once you've added owners for all of the tasks in your list, move on to the next video. Now, it's your turn. Think about friends, family, or business partners who could help with your event. Insert a new column. Change the formatting to match the template or to suit your style. Title the column Task Owner and add owners' names to your list so you'll know who should complete each task. Resize the columns as needed.